Tying down the cables inside the bin is a very important step in the cable installation process. It ensures your cables remain in place and are as vertical as possible during loading phases. Failure to do so can cause the cable to be pushed out of position during the loading phase, putting your grain at risk. If you're installing cables in a flat bottom bin, the cable end should be anywhere from 2 to 4 feet off the floor. If you're installing cables in a hopper bin, the cable end should reach the length of the bin wall before it angles in for the hopper bottom or slightly into the hopper. For a steel floor, use the 4 1/4-inch self-tapping screws to secure the anchor plate with the O-ring to the bin floor. For a concrete floor, use the 2 1/4-inch blue concrete screws. Take the twine provided and loop it through both the aluminum cable end and the O-ring and secure it, making sure there is no slack in the twine. Cut off any excess twine. Ensure the anchor plate is positioned so once the cable is tied down, it remains as vertical as possible. Note, a hopper bin may have an aeration system installed from the center of the hopper bottom. In these instances, the anchor plate and O-ring would be attached to the hopper bottom. However, it will be slightly off-center. If there's a bin sweep installed in the bin, be aware that the bin sweep will cut the twine securing the cables. This is okay, as once the bin is full, the cables will be supported by the grain. Be sure to position the O-ring so that when the sweep cuts through the twine, the O-ring will fall towards the center of the bin. OPI recommends checking your tie downs each time you unload the bin. There will be times in which you'll need to replace or resecure the tie downs before reloading the bin.